Namaskaram. In today's video, I would be sharing how to make sesame laddus, the black sesame laddus. You can see how nice it has came out. So let's see how to do this now. Namaskaram. Welcome to my channel Living Consciously. Today I would be sharing the recipe of sesame laddus, or we can say til laddus. So usually we know that til comes into three colors: black color, red color and then white color. So we use white color sesame seeds generally, but black sesame seeds had many benefits and benefits to it. First time I had this black sesame laddus outside Dhanalingam. They give it as a prasadam. This tastes really very good. So as I said, the black sesame seeds had many benefits to it. It is high in vitamin B, then iron, calcium, protein, magnesium, zinc. So it has many benefits to it. I will be listing down all the benefits of sesame laddus. So today I am trying to recreate Dhanalingam laddu. So let's see what all we need for this. So it's a very simple laddu. We just need sesame seeds and jaggery for this. So these are the black sesame seeds. In the Amazon link, I will be giving you the link of this. So it can be easily available in your grocery shop. And so for 1 cup of sesame seeds, we required 1 cup of jaggery. And we would be adding little bit of ghee, but this is optional. So let's get started. So what I did first is I washed this sesame seeds after I brought it, and then I kept it on the cloth, and because there must be some dirt or something on the seeds, so it is better to wash it first, and then I have kept it on the cloth and dried it. So after drying it, now what we'll do is first we will roast the sesame seeds. Now I have taken a pan big enough. Now we'll start it and we will roast the sesame seeds. So we have to roast it till we get a popping sound of the sesame seeds. So it should take around 2-3 minutes of roasting. So you can see the popping sound has started to come. It got roasted very nice. So it has been 2-3 minutes now. So we will close the stove and we will transfer it to the plate to cool it down. Now we will let it cool down let it cool down completely, and then we will grind it and make the laddus of it. So now our tils are cooled down completely. So what I'll do is I'll put this into the mixing jar, and then I will grind this. So you can see I've grinded this like this coarsely. Now we will add 1 cup of jaggery also to this, and as I said, the ghee is optional, but I'm going to add like 1 tablespoon of ghee. Now we will grind it until it mixes properly. So you can see I've grinded it like 4-5 times. So until you see that the nice oil has been coming out of the sesames, and if you take a little portion and do like this, then you should be able to form the laddu. See, so that means our it is done, the mixture is done properly. Now what we'll do is we'll transfer this to the plate. I have transferred this. The jaggery and the sesames are mixed properly, and now we will start making the laddus of it. So you take a small portion and then you do like this. See, the oil has started to come out of the laddus. You can choose the size you like. See, a beautiful black laddus are ready. So similarly you make all of them. So you can see I have made all the laddus. and they are ready to eat now. So do try this sesame laddus, or use the black sesames into your diet in whichever form you can, as it is very beneficial. And let me know how it turned out for you. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Namaskaram.